If you're a music creator, you may have heard about the Music Modernization Act, the MMA. It's a bill in Congress that seeks to address the problems songwriters and publishers have had with digital streaming companies, like not getting paid fairly. You may have already signed a petition supporting the MMA, and let's be clear, we support the basic concepts of the MMA too. The bill does some very good things for music creators, no doubt about that. But it also contains a few things that need to be fixed, or at least clarified, before anything gets signed into law. The law is more than 100 pages long, but we can do this in about 2 minutes. Here goes. Number 1, the MMA sets up a new board, the people who control pretty much everything about how this thing will work. There are 10 music publishers on the board and 4 writers. The 4 writers are there because most of this money is writer money, and they're supposed to make sure everything is done on the up and up. But here's the thing. The publishers want to pick the writers who sit on the board. Yep. Publishers want to decide which writers are allowed to see what's going on. We think writers should choose their own representatives. Writers pick writers, publishers pick publishers. So let's fix that. Number 2. Self-published writers and unpublished writers are the ones most likely to have their music unidentified or misidentified by digital music services. Maybe they didn't file a registration with the Copyright Office. Maybe they forgot to embed the right data when they uploaded the track. Maybe they just spelled something wrong. In any case, if these writers don't claim their royalties from the collective, 100% of their royalties will go to publishers based on the publisher's market share. That means that the big publishers and their top writers will get most of that money. Money that belongs to the self-published and the unpublished writers. This needs to be fixed. Okay, so that's 2. Number 3, every songwriter and composer knows that things don't always work out the way we want. Right now, the MMA contains no grievance process for music creators who get left out of the process or who feel they haven't been treated fairly. Big songwriters with lawyers and accountants will be able to audit their publishers, but tens of thousands of songwriters won't. The MMA should include some process that allows regular songwriters to have their concerns addressed by an independent party. There are other important questions and issues about the MMA, including a definition of exactly who is a music creator, but these 3 things would really improve this bill and make it fair for everyone. Music is complicated. Being fair is simple. So let's be fair.